Romanian young ABs from the offshore flag of convenience for the Italian Social Security Roro fleet to embark. Many of you have applied to the Italian flag Roro's cargo ships, and some are not interested going down in the wage side because you are already the offshore other flag of convenience ships cruise and far away. But here, some very young are accepting this lower rank OS position and then have experience as Roro, as is different, completely different 37,000 ton ships, Roro cargo 22, and then going up to 3,100 euros approximate wage. Because you are very interested, if you're a young AB, you are very interested in the social security, the pension, the unemployment, and also the sanitary assistance cover for your family. If you are one of those very young Romanian ABs willing to take this job as OS, or if you already have the experience as AB on board the Roro cargo ships of 1 year minimum, apply urgently because this summer and this Easter we have the opportunity for you to promote because there is a huge shortage of European crew now. Thank you. Bye.